Hey guys, what's going on? Thanks so much for tuning into yet another one of my videos. So earlier in the week, I had a chance to go to Salon Centric, and whenever I went to Salon Centric, they had these amazing Amika gift sets on sale. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Amika products, and the line that I'm going to be checking out is called the Kure. I'll make sure I put all of the information in reference to this product down below, but inside this gift set, you have the Strengthen and Repair Shampoo, the Strengthen and Repair Conditioner, you have the Intense Strengthen Repair Mask, and you also have the Wizard, which is a silicone-free detangling primer. Sounds amazing. And so as far as the styling for this particular client, she's gonna get some really nice natural looking tape-ins. Chef's kiss, I cannot wait. So if you guys are interested in hearing my feedback about the Amika, the Kure line in particular, and if you guys wanna see how I slay these tape-ins, stay tuned. And one more thing, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and turn on your notifications. It all helps out and it's free, okay? All right, let me get to the video. Bye. So as far as the gift set goes, I was absolutely blown away with the packaging. One thing I love about Amika products is that they make you feel fun and jovial, and it brings the innocence back into the industry. It makes you feel youthful. It just makes you want to create. So I absolutely love the packaging. And in this gift set, it came with 4 different products. It came with a Strength Repair Shampoo, a Strength Repair Conditioner, an Intense Strength Repair Mask, and a Silicone-Free Detangling Primer. Another thing that I love about this gift set is all of the information that they put in the packaging. It's so detailed and it's very informative. So let's start with the Strength Repair Shampoo. This particular shampoo is formulated with bond-building technology and plant proteins that target weak, damaged strands. What stood out the most to me was how it cleaned without stripping. A lot of strengthening shampoos can leave your hair feeling squeaky or dry, but this one kept the hair feeling hydrated while still giving me the clean base I needed before conditioning. And because it's sulfate-free, it works beautifully on natural textures, color-treated hair, and relaxed ends that need a little extra care. After rinsing, I followed it with the Strength Repair Conditioner, and y'all, this was absolutely buttery. The slip on this conditioner had me in love immediately. Now, slip is important, especially for us natural girls who want a conditioner that's going to let us detangle without stress. This formula has shea butter and plant-based proteins that help smooth the cuticles and rebuild strength. What I loved the most was how the hair instantly felt more elastic and manageable. I could run my fingers through the hair without tangling up, and that's when I knew the conditioner was doing its job. For anyone dealing with breakage, shedding, or even heat damage, this conditioner can easily slide into your weekly routine for sure. Now let's talk about the star of the show for me, the Intense Strength Repair Mask. If you've been following me, you know I love a good deep conditioner. That's where the real transformation happens. This mask is rich, like the consistency is thick, it's not too heavy, so it coats each and every strand without weighing it down. It's designed with mango butter and a bond repair technology, which basically means it dives deep into the cortex of the hair and starts repairing the damage from the inside out. I left it on for about 10 to 15 minutes under the steamer, and when I rinsed it out, oh my goodness. The hair felt like butter, smooth, soft, strong, and all at the same time. And that's definitely not easy to achieve. Most masks either give your hair moisture or strength, but this one gave both. If you're someone who uses heat, color, protective styles back to back, this mask is a must. I would recommend using it once a week for maximum results. And last but definitely not least, the Wizard Silicone-Free Detangling Primer. Y'all know I was excited to try this product. I'm always looking for products that protect without buildup. This primer is lightweight, it smells amazing, and instantly made detangling easier. But what makes it stand out is that it's silicone-free. A lot of primers coat the hair with heavy silicones that can block moisture, but this one uses nourishing oils and amino acids to give you protection while keeping your hair breathable. And guess what? It also acts as a heat protectant for up to 450 degrees, which is perfect for when you're doing a silk press or blowout. The hair had a very nice shine and smoothness without the hair feeling greasy. So overall, I really like these products in the Amika Kure line. If I would rate these products as a collective on a scale from 1 to 10, 1 being my least favorite products and 10 being my most favorite products, I would put this at about an 8.5. When I went to Salon Centric, I was able to pick up 2 other gift sets of completely different products. So if you guys want me to do a video on those gift sets as well, please be sure to put that down below in the comment section and I will be sure to do so. But this pretty much sums up my video. I really hope this video was very informative and it helped to give you guys some information about the Amika Kure line. I absolutely love these products, but if you guys have found this video informative, please make sure you share it with someone else because sharing is caring. If you haven't already, please make sure you like, share, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And also any information in reference to this video will be listed down below in the description box. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.